Thank you for taking 4 minutes to watch this quick video guide to understand setting up a 3D laser station on a known point. This method is often used as a quick setup when you have one known station point and one known point within sight of each other. 5D recommends using the new station by resection method if you have multiple points within sight of the station location. Begin by setting up the 3D laser directly plumb over a point on the site. This may also be a permanent pole or wall mount that you have already established the coordinates for. Select Control, Station Setup, then Known Station and BS points. The instrument height is very important, being that we are only using 2 points. The instrument height is the slant measurement from the hub to the crosshair mark on the side of the 3D laser. Confirm the units are correct and select the next button. Now you need to select the 2 points you are going to use. One point is for the 3D laser station location, and the other is the point you will observe using your prism rod. Select the point list or map icon. You must highlight 2 points to proceed. Select the station location before the backside point. This will list correct on the following screen. Select OK. If the points are backwards, you can swap them by selecting the blue arrow button on the right-hand side. Confirm your prism rod settings. Start by checking the box named Target has prism tape with SD. Confirm the target height and prism type is correct. In the case that you are unsure, 5D created an explanation video named Equipment Setup. The 3D laser needs to be tracking the prism. If it reads offline, you need to select the icon to rotate the laser and scan your position to begin tracking. Before you select the next button, plumb your prism rod over the backside point you wish to observe. Select Next and then OK to start the measurement. Confirm the site accuracy. The software will now display the differences found between the 2 points you chose to use. Make sure that they are within the specifications of the job. In the case that the differences are incorrect, you need to start over because something went wrong. Select the next button. In this screen, you are just reminded of the station coordinates you had selected. Just hit the Finish button to end the setup process. 5D recommends that you stake out to another point on the site to confirm accuracy. In the case that you don't have another point, you should at the least make sure the design data looks correct and in line with existing features. To stake out, select Tools, Stakeout, Control Point or Point List. Select a point from the list or the map view, then hit OK. Now plumb your rod over that point and make sure that your accuracy is correct. In the example, the due east and due north values are very good within 0.02 of the foot. However, the elevation comparison shows a cut value of over 0.3. This amount of error should certainly be a red flag that something went wrong with the setup process. I would start by confirming your target height by selecting Control, Range Pole, and look at the prism height. It could also have been a setting issue regarding the instrument height. Another possibility is that there is something wrong with the point data, so you'll want to confirm that the local coordinates are correct. In the setup process, we had only used 2 points. Error will multiply over distance. Thank you for watching this guide created by 5D Solutions Incorporated. For additional resources and information, visit our website at 5dsolutionsinc.com.